I'm a little late getting here. I probably already missed the dragons. There's one right there on top. Shoot, okay. You're gonna get another one? You're gonna come back the other way? You went from right to left. You're gonna come back left to right? Probably already did. I can't see it. Okay. Shoot. Just one person. I can't record everything. I'm running around. I'm checking tapes. I made a custom new camera for my new friend Dan. Unbelievable. Come on, dragon. Come on, you gonna fly back? Who's this guy? I think this guy is the. I think I just saw something. I'm not sure. I think this guy's the 2-5. He was here at 12 o'clock. Came back kind of early, 4 hours ago. All right. He's kind of far, as you can see. What look? I don't like this long-range photography. Okay, you gonna leave? You staying or going? There it is, right there. Did you see that? Jeez, believable. There you just see what that's what a bird looks like. Okay. I love it when the birds fly with these drones. If you're just now watching this for the first time in your life, there it is again, I think right there to the left, diagonal. You're looking at 2,500 feet a second, 1,700 miles an hour. I know, you have a PhD, your famous university. See, he's circling. There it is again, he's circling, he sees it. He sees it, there it is again. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Look, you're a smart person. You've got a diploma from a great university. You don't know this because they didn't teach it to you, that's all. I'm teaching it to you. That's why you're watching it right now. 10 minutes, you're going to be an expert. You're going to be telling me how to do this. In the meantime, let's just watch the video. This guy's circling. He sees it. He has a thermal camera. He sees it. These things, 2,500 feet a second, they do have a heat signature. Nobody say, look at that. I just think that were 2 or 3 at the same time. 4. Oh my God. This is unusual. And I was about to shut the camera off too, because this is some long range photography. I don't like doing it. Come on, stay focused. Stay focused. All right. Oh my God, a crazy good video. Wow, there's the bird again. I don't know what's going to happen. He's not leaving. Looks like these drones are not leaving. And why do I call them dragons? Because at first I thought they were dragonflies. That's all. That's simple. There it is again on the bottom. I know, you're not seeing this. You're saying, what the hell? I don't see this. What are you talking about? There goes the bird again. Come on. Come on, dragonfly. With that. I thought they were dragonflies. They're not dragonflies. Wow, crazy lucky video. And I started late too. Wow, is he going to fly away? Wow. There it is on the bottom again. Whoa. Again, there it is. This is... You know, there's a lot more I could say politically. I don't want to say anything. I want to try to be nice. These pilots are doing the best they can. I think what they're doing is not in their job description. So really, God bless them. They're doing the best they can. There's a bird. There's a bird. Come on. Okay, now he's over Santa Monica. And let's call it quits, huh? I think that's enough dragons for one video. I think that's like a world's record for me, actually. What's he doing? Are you diving? If he starts to turn, that means he sees them again. Okay, fly away, fly away. just to see what its camera can do. Okay, thank you very much. Hope you learned something. Talk to you later.